Hello everyone, this is Opu from Opu Art, and I am back with rover number 10 and hope this is the last one of this series. And this vehicle is a mobile radar. So this one, as you can see on the track back, is a radar. It's a very powerful radar to catch the any kind of unknown foreign objects in the sky or in the area or in the periphery. So it has a diameter of that. So imagine this is a kind of it is being used for any radar service or any kind of capturing any kind of alien object or a vehicle in the sky or in the land, something like that, in the far away space. So it's a story like that. So these are also like three vehicles. One is dark metal, one is camouflage, and one is the Mars. So you were saying it like an interesting part is I put all of the vehicles like a one is camouflage. It's like an army vehicle, right? So the concept is any users or any projects can use it like a combat vehicle. It can be turned as a combat vehicle, combat radar vehicle, radar unit, but it's not actually um, a combat vehicle function. It has no any guns supported yet, so it can be used in a combat situation. That's why the camouflage one, and then this one is the March one, and the final one, and the first one is the dark metal. So it's a mobile radar, it's a heavy radar. So, and this is the one number 10, and this is the last one of this series. I will continue it in a Unity, HDRP, and also the Unreal 5.3. So hope you are enjoying it, and you will be in this journey till the end. So thank you all. I will be come back with a Unity version. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is the Rover 10, the last of the Rover series. I'm happy to inform that this is the last asset from the Rover series actually. So this one is the Rover 10. This is actually a radar vehicle. So this is the top part. You were saying it's a very powerful radar. So its functionality is to do the radar facilities for any kind of structure and any kind of area. So it can detect any kind of foreign objects in a sky and in the land also. So this is the number 10. As you can see, there are three variation as always. This one, dark metal, camouflage, and the March. So it's like a RTS unit coming from a war factory, as like a radar unit from Command and Conquer or any sort of that kind of game. And as like always, it has of course the prefabs, and also also this is the material section, and also of course the textures. So the textures are all 4K. So yeah, so if I maximize the view, you can see here. So this is the radar. This is the back of the truck is a radar. So you can use it according to your needs, according to your project specification. You can use it. So yeah, I will continue it in Unreal Engine 5.3. So hope you are enjoying it, and you will see it until the end. And if you need this asset pack, I will be very happy to provide the support. And yeah, you just contact with me and stay with me. Thank you. Okay, this is the Rover 10. You are seeing it from the Unreal Engine 5.3. So this is the last of the Rover collection vehicle. I'm happy to announce that this is the last one. So yeah, final vehicle or final assets is going to be presented. I'm presenting now actually. So here you can see, as like the others, the textures, all the relevant textures, and also the materials, and also the FBX is here. Okay. So this one, if I can give you a maximized view, this one is also coming with a three pattern, three types of textures. One is camouflage, one is march, and one is the dark metal. So this one is the dark metal, this middle one is camouflage, and this one is a march. So this one actually, this vehicle is a mobile radar actually. So you can see the back of the vehicle is a radar. It's a very high powerful radar. So as you can see, the size of the vehicle is enormous. I mean, so big. So yeah, so you can see here that it will use the it will be used for any kind of surveillance system or a radar. It can detect any foreign objects from the land and from the air. and also from the sea if the water exists. So it's a complete package of radar. It's very good to see. It will be very good to see in in a RTS environment, something like that. So yeah, this one also purchasable single by single, or you can purchase the whole assets collection for your projects. So I'm planning to make a whole asset collection scene, a vehicle scene for this one. So yeah, so this is anyone wants to purchase this one, or wants to have this one in their project, you just contact with me. So this is goodbye from the rover project. So this is the final version, final one, rover number 10, and it's a radar. So I am very happy to announce an ending of this project, and I'll be more happy if anyone wants to purchase this one as a collection. I will be very happy to know that, and you can contact with me regarding any issues and regarding any 3D model issues of mine. So yeah, so thank you. Stay with me, connected with me. Thank you, everyone. Bye.